What's up, guys? It's Mike here with Growing Indoors 365. It's January 15th. Thank you so much for tuning in. I've been a little absent from my videos. There's, not much to say on why I haven't been making videos, but the main reason is I just don't have time. I literally, at this point in time, with family life, with career life, I don't have time. I don't even have a lot of time to spend maintaining the grow. But there's some interesting stuff that's been going on in the grow. But getting back to the fact that I haven't made a video in a little bit, probably, I don't know, at least a month maybe. It's been a little bit, so I do apologize about that. I always preach I want to make more videos, but when it comes to it, I just don't have enough time. You guys have to realize you have to shoot the video, you have to make sure it looks okay, then you have to I have to upload it to the computer, I have to edit it, then I have to upload it to YouTube. It takes forever. But I want to check in time to time to make sure that you guys are motivated and continuously growing. If you're new to the channel, my name is Michael. I'm an indoor hydroponic grower. I've been doing this for up to 4 or 5 years now. Been making videos for well over 4 years. One of my largest videos is reaching almost 1 million views, and I'm super excited about that. I primarily focus on indoor lettuce and some herbs. I'm gonna have some new stuff growing soon. I got some fresh new seeds. Again, if you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe, hit the bell notification. This way you get notified every single time I upload a video. And also, if you're interested in getting anything like this set up in your own, oh, don't look at that. No, that is what dead lettuce looks like. If you're interested in getting a setup like this, all the links are down below. Make sure to hit those links to get yourself set up just like I have here. Let's take a quick look at what I got going on. By the way, guys, if you watched the previous video, the way that I set these net pods up, I'm not doing that again, okay? Take a look. Take a look at this net pod. Look how low the rock wool cube is. This is one of the first times I actually was not motivated enough to put the actual clay pebbles at the bottom like I usually do, which raises the net pod basically at the collar level of this net pod. And then I would also put the clay pebbles around. Now, I did not do it this time, and let me tell you, there's a lot more rot than I've ever seen before, especially at this premature stage of lettuce right here. There's a lot more algae that's occurring. There's a lot of green that's occurring on the actual rock wool, and that's throughout a lot of these. Okay, the lettuce overall looks pretty nice, pretty clean, pretty healthy, but I've had a number of plants die out. One there, this one's barely doing anything. As you can see here on the sides, I mean, look at this one, look how tiny it is. Okay, that's probably because it's not really getting, let's take a look down here. I don't know, that's some serious root growth though. Woo, that looks good. But let me see at the bottom here. See, the root is barely hitting that bottom. It barely got going. I don't know why. Sometimes that happens. A lot of times it's, in my opinion, it's because the water is just not touching that bottom good enough to provide the necessary oxygen. A lot of other people preach other systems, okay? They have every right to preach other systems. This is the system that I am familiar with, and this is how I grow my lettuce. Now, the lettuce itself, again, it looks nice. It looks crispy. It looks crunchy. It looks really nice and sturdy. It looks like it's got really nice life balance here and great colors. Look at this. Look at those colors. They're spectacular, right? Give me a thumbs up if you want to grow lettuce like this yourself. Give me a thumbs up. Let's reach 100 thumbs up. Give me 100 likes, please, okay? Hit the thumbs up. Make sure you also subscribe. Tell your cousins, tell your friends, tell your parents. It's time to grow your own food. With all the weird outbreaks of salmonella, whatever it may be, all over the place, I'm hearing this, okay? The CDC, was it the CDC? I think so. Or the FDA. Someone announced about salmonella poisoning across different types of brands that sell lettuce. It's ridiculous. It's absolutely ridiculous. When you could just grow your own inside with no problem, no pesticides, no bugs, nothing. Let's take a look at the root system of all these. Look at that. Look how pretty that looks. Whoa. It's a monster root system right there. Really nice looking. Really nice looking. Fantastic. No, this is always a problem. Got to make sure you don't get the leaves caught. And I hate this. I hate getting leaves caught in the sides here. It's a big pain in the butt. And it's also kind of nasty because it then just dries out and it just sits there. It's gross. Anyway, this is a quick check-in, guys. This is Mike from Growing Doors 365. It's the weekend. It's the 15th of January. Hopefully everybody had a good new year. You're staying healthy. And you're setting up a grow for the new year. Get yourself a grow like this. All right? Don't be lazy. Get motivated. Let's start growing together. I'll see you guys on the Facebook channel at Growing Indoors 365 as well as on Instagram. Talk to you guys later.